रामपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश। बीते कुछ सालों में यहाँ पानी की भारी कमी हो गई थी।
130-40 फीट भी पानी आता है, लेकिन कम आता है पानी।
हम पिछले 2010 से लगातार जल प्रबंधन और जल की कमी की ही समस्या से जूझ रहे हैं।
The groundwater authority has declared it as overexploited area. Rampur district has a Kosi river and its many small tributaries also. Art of Living, we took a challenge that we have to investigate and also come out with an innovative idea, that is how to convert the flood water or the base flow after the rainy season is also over, to harvest it and convert that into groundwater. So that is where we thought of, one is already known was the recharge the surface water from the ponds that they are existing. So we continued with that recharge shafts, and also because these recharge shafts also have to get the water from the surface. That is where we resorted for an innovative idea of constructing subsurface dikes. Subsurface dikes are practiced in hard rock area and many places. It was practical, but in the floodplain it was not accepted. It was not in a practice because deep horizons are having only clay, sand and all that. So we did some investigation using the geophysical surveys, that is 2D ERT, Earth Resistivity Tomography method, where we could get the images below the surface, and those were identified, and a clay bed which is as hard rock was identified, and taking that as a base we could construct a subsurface dike in an innovative and cost effective manner.
इस परियोजना को सफलतापूर्वक पूर्ण करने के लिए आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग को जल शक्ति मंत्रालय और ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालय भारत सरकार द्वारा पुरस्कृत किया गया है।